So at this point, we can add the users to the database by writing them in these text boxes and pressing the submit button. Now let's show another page when the user presses submit. Well, we can do that the same way we did when we switched from login screen to sign up screen. So the way we did that was by writing in the sign up function of the login screen class, we wrote this self-manager current equal to sign up screen. We can do the same thing in here. So the add user function is what is called when the user presses the submit button. So we can do self.manager.current equal to, let's call this sign up screen success. So this is going to be another screen that we are going to list here. Sign up screen success. The name of that should be the same as you used in there. And of course we need to create that screen. So sign up screen success, a colon. And what I would like this page to look like is I'd like this page to have a label where it says sign up successful, and then it should have a button under that label which would say login page, so the user can press that button and go back to the login page where they can log in, so to the login screen. Therefore, first of all, we need a grid layout. We just need one column, and then we need a label. The text of that would be sign up successful in quotes, and then you need a button. The text of the button would be login page. And let's leave it like that for now. I'm just going to execute everything to see what we have this far. So we got an error, factory exception. Of course, we don't have this sign up screen success, so we need to add a class sign up screen success, which inherits from screen, and let's do pass there. Execute again. Name screen is not defined. Yes, I made a typo here. Screen sign up U3 P3 submit sign up successful, the label and the login page, which doesn't do anything for now because we don't have an onPress attribute for that button. So yeah, to wrap it up, this is what we did to implement this screen to change to the next screen. So first we added a self-manager.screen in the add user function. That will change the current screen to this screen in here. And this screen has been defined in here, and it's represented by this class in Python. And that's it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 points we had to add. Now try as an exercise to implement the login button. So when the user presses the login button in the page, you want to sign up U4 P4. When the user presses login, go back to the main page, so to the login page, which is this one in here. Try to do that.